Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 5 best hoverboard for beginners. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 5 on the list is Segway Ninibit S. Who says kids should have all the fun? The Segway Ninibit S is specifically made for those ages 16 and up and uses a knee-controlled steering design that is a breeze to master. It also boasts plenty of safety features like 4-color ambient lights for nighttime visibility and customizable speed limit adjustments. An powerful 400-watt motor. Other highlights include a top speed of 10 miles per hour, a range of up to 13 miles per charge, and a relatively short 3-hour charge time. Additional features can be accessed through the Segway app. The number 4 on the list is Tomalu Hoverboard. It's one thing to be seen as you roll down the block on a hoverboard, but it's another thing entirely to also be heard. Besides topping out at a zippy 7.5 miles per hour, the Tomalu features Bluetooth connectivity, turning the device into a rolling jukebox, complete with a synchronized light show thanks to 5 different colored LEDs. The model's non-slip footpads also add an extra level of stability to each ride, no matter your level of expertise. The hoverboard offers long battery life and a fast charging time, plus it comes with a limited 1-year warranty, which tops much of the competition's 90-day policies. The biggest downside is that the 165-pound weight limit is on the lower end of the spectrum. The number 3 on the list is Swagtron Swagboard Road Hoverboard. If you need your new hoverboard to handle all types of terrain, the Swagtron T6 offers a reliable choice. Thanks to its 10-inch tires and 12-mile range per charge, this sturdy option can trek over grass, gravel, mud, and more. And with an automatic balancing mode, stepping on and off is easy peasy for most, even for beginners. Highlights among features include a top speed of 12 miles per hour, Bluetooth speakers, and a substantial 420-pound maximum weight limit. The only caveat is that you'll have to keep an eye on tire pressure, as air-filled tires can run flat. The number 2 on the list is Razer Hovertrax Prisma Hoverboard. Kids and adult newbies to the hoverboard world will appreciate the Razer Hovertrax Prisma's training setting, allowing riders to get the hang of the device before allowing more advanced stops and turns. Besides boasting 40 minutes of continuous use and quick charging times, the standout feature is the brilliant LED display on its base and wheels that keep you visible while riding. It also has a decent top speed of 9 miles per hour. The hoverboard is recommended for kids ages 8 and up and comes in 3 colors. The number 1 on the list is Hover One Titan Electric Hoverboard. For mature riders looking to get acquainted with hoverboarding basics, the Hover One Titan is a great jumping-off point. It features a top-rated self-balancing system and intuitive riding controls and has a powerful 500-watt brushless motor and built-in Bluetooth speakers, plus customizable LED lights and 3 skill modes. Grown-ups on the go will appreciate the app's GPS feature, which allows tracking and trip recording. Charging time is roughly 6 hours, which is average. While the price point is in line with what the package includes, the top speed of 7 miles per hour may be a deal breaker for some.